Joe with Access Auto here again. We've got a killer TJ Wrangler up for grabs. We spent some time on this one, folks. It's a 4-inch lift kit, not a long arm, but a 4-inch full lift kit with sway bar disconnects on it, spring shocks. We refinished the wheels. It's got 5 brand new mud terrain 33 1250 15 tires on it, including the back. It's got a stubby front bumper, 9,500 pound winch, 20-inch light bar, 2 extra lights on the side there you can see, and it's got 2 cube Cree lights up top. Everything's wired and ready to roll. D-rings are on there also. Just go around to the side here. Of course, it's got a hard top. The body's in fantastic condition. Rims are all done inside and out, and it's got 2-inch spacers, no, 1.5-inch spacers on this one. New rear bumper, D-rings on that, with isolators on them. Also a rear tire swing out. That 33 1250 fits nice on that rear tire swing out. I'm going to open up the rear gate here. We just mounted a third brake light there. It shines through the back of the rim. It's kind of cool. Super clean on the inside. This has got the upgraded interior. This Wrangler is not just your average run-of-the-mill one. It's got more equipment than the average Wrangler, like an S or an X. We'll just flip around to the other side. The other side's in just as good a condition. It's a Rocky Mountain Edition Wrangler. The underside of this Jeep has been coated. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, but everything's been coated underneath and done the right way. Full alignment's been done on this. Rides and drives like it should. 4-wheel drive works perfect. Oil's been changed. All the fluids have been checked. There's your light buttons for the 4 sets of lights up front. It is a stick shift, of course. 4-wheel drive, stereo CD, hard top. It's got a nice upgraded interior with high back seats. This truck is just a really nice truck. It's got some grab handles up there by Rough Country. We are a Rough Country dealer, so we put all Rough Country products in these Jeeps. But if you want a trail-ready Jeep to go, come over to Access Auto and pick it up. There's our number and our website. Check it out.